Vlogmas. So I am currently in Alberta when you are watching this. But a lot of my videos, as you know, if you've been following my Vlogmas, are pre-filmed so that I'm able to focus on school, like in exams and stuff. So this is obviously one of my pre-filmed. It's planning for 2022. So I have this planner, like this agenda that I got for 2021, but I only used the last 4 months. I think I used, yeah, from like September until now. And I did not use the front of my agenda. So instead of going and buying a new one and just completely wasting this one, I am going to recycle it. So as you can see, this is my agenda, and pretty much the plan is I will take like white paper or something and just cover up the calendar that's already been filled out. And then I have this really thin tape that I'm going to use to like make the grid again. Okay, there's like fluff in my nose. All right, so yeah, I'll have white paper and I'll just cover up the grid going underneath the blue line, just covering up the actual calendar itself, and then I'll remake the lines using a really thin tape that I have that's technically meant for nails. But yeah, that will be the first part of this, and then the second part is actually planning for next year, all my videos, kind of working around what videos I already have filmed. So that will be this video, just trying to get my anxiety to chill out so I can actually focus on other stuff. So anyways, this should be fun. So now that this is done, which I am in love with it, it's a little bit messy, not perfect, but honestly, like, what can you do? Who cares? I love a little bit of imperfection. So next thing I wanted to do was actually plan 2022. And this isn't like my goals, like whatever I would put in a vision board, but this is like my classes, putting in all my like school holidays, and then as well as prepping, like planning out videos and content for next year. So let's start with my classes, but let's start with like the holidays and stuff. So reading week is February. I think I might actually be able to go home for reading week because my parents will officially be moving back to Ontario in February. So hopefully I'll be able to go to the new house and maybe help them move in, which will be super exciting. I know I'll be living with my parents. I will most likely be living with my parents. I'm not actually sure. So I can like choose a room, maybe discuss with my parents about potentially using one of the rooms as like an art space. February 14th, Valentine's Day. Then Easter, which is April 15th. Back to February because tuition needs to be paid before the 4th, so I'll probably have it tuition paid. Okay. And then I need to have my spring summer schedule set up by the 28th. Okay, so February is gonna be a fun one. I figured out what my schedule it is. I got the like dates and times and stuff for the class that I exchanged my sculpting for. I'm actually on the wait list for the second painting class, but on the bright side, that means that I'm still enrolled in the sculpting. So hopefully I'll get into the painting class, but if not, then I have the sculpting to like use and stuff. So I still get all of my classes, all of my credits. So I have one business class in French, which I'm actually thinking starting spring, summer, I'm gonna switch over from entrepreneurial studies to communications and look into potentially going into like publicist work. Still trying to figure that out. And then I have modern art history, which is Mondays, and I had it in person but didn't realize it was in person, so I switched it over to the virtual. Then I have painting and image 2, which is in person. What I was going to have was sculpting in person, but I'm trying to exchange that for painting and context. And then I also have English because I am doing a like creative writing program as part of my bachelor's. So because I am surprisingly good at remembering dates and times of my schedules, like for classes at least, just because it's so continuous, I'm not going to like repeat that exact same thing all throughout my journal. Instead, I'm just going to color coordinate with like tape or something, like washi tape. So every class will have a specific color just so that I know it's there. And that way, if there's like a random day where I don't have a class, then it won't be there and I'll be like, oh yeah, that's right, cool. So let's talk videos and content for January, not just January, but 2022. I'm really excited about this. I've been brainstorming some ideas. I'm not gonna go too into it because I want to keep some surprises, but I thought I would discuss just a few ideas that I have. So one of which would be a video about many videos, and it would be recreating my favorite YouTubers' most popular videos. So all of my favorite YouTubers, I will go to their video list where it says like most popular, newest, oldest, whatever. And whatever is the most popular that is doable by me, I'm going to do. So for example, a lot of them are like Chloe Ting workouts, or like Instagram tips, morning routines, just stuff like that that I already do for the most part, or things that I've like been wanting to do anyways, like how to film with my phone. How to film with a phone and like edit on a super basic like beginner level is a video that I've been wanting to do for a while. So it will most likely be doing something I do in January. Not like for January, but like for next year. I gotta stop saying that. January is like the next year. Next year is January. That is it. That is all. No other month exists. So yeah, I have all my favorite YouTubers like Tara Michelle, Samantha Joe, Sadie Aldis. I know she stopped doing videos, but she's still one of my favorites. And then I have other videos that I want to do. Some things that I've actually already filmed. I wrote down an idea and I think I wrote it down wrong because I don't remember what that was supposed to be. Something about a pencil case tutorial, but I wasn't doing that. So I think what I meant to say was pencil case tour. I'll show you guys like my different pencil cases that I have, because I have one that's for my sketching supplies. I have another that's meant for just like pens and like stuff for like my academic classes. And then I have another pencil case that is all of my oil pastel. So I think I was saying I'll do a pencil case tour, but honestly, who knows? And then I have a bunch of videos that go with my art studio tours that I did all throughout November. I actually filmed them in like August in Alberta, uploaded the first 7 in November, so this like, yeah. And then I still have 2 more, and then I have 3 that I filmed here in Ottawa. So I have some paintings that I filmed during my studio vlogs, and those videos will start going up in January along with the rest of my studio vlogs, especially just before I get back here to Ottawa, because I will be in Alberta while you are watching this, as you already know. So yeah, I have a bunch of videos coming out. I'm super excited. I will be doing more TikToks. I'll be posting more on Instagram. So far, I've been posting pretty like consistently, daily posts. I've been trying to do stories every day, just all that fun stuff. I'm gonna try and post more on my Pinterest. Any art videos, I'll do a smaller, like shorter video on Pinterest and blah, blah, blah. What else? I do have something new and exciting coming out, but I'm not gonna say anything just yet. I know you'll be seeing this like at the end of December, but I don't want to say anything right now just in case I end up not doing it or something happens. So if I do it, I'm going to insert whatever clip or whatever right now. So the last thing I wanted to discuss, or I guess share, for planning my 2022 is I will be changing my uploading days. For the last like 2 years, I've been uploading 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And now I am planning to upload on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturdays, and then maybe Sundays. And then I have one more thing that I'm working on starting in January. Actually, that's not true. I've already somewhat started, but I don't know if I'm using any of the stuff I've already filmed. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff happening in 2022. I'm really excited. I hope you're excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Maybe it encouraged you to recycle your agendas instead of just buying more. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, according to my wonderful calendar, tomorrow's video is undetermined because I would have literally just gone to Alberta. So it will most likely be a travel vlog or my first day back. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any other video ideas that you might want to see, whether it's art related or lifestyle, whichever, let me know in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.